So welcome to our class. Once again, I am your
Okay,
teacher,
thank
Trisha.
you.
Okay,
Uh,
so now your name is Roger. Okay, so
yeah.
your hobby is to, what is it?
Music, playing
Ye-
music or singing.
Yes, very good. Okay, is this your first online lesson?
Yeah, probably for the linguistic lessons.
Oh, I see. Okay, what is your purpose? So you said your purpose in learning English, Filipino because you are in the Philippines.
Yeah,
You are in the
Philippine.
Mindanao. Okay, that's why you want
Yeah.
to learn. Okay, so let's go. Tagalog for beginner. Lesson 1, basic greetings. Okay, so look at this. So when we
hmm
are going to greet, it is saying yes or no. Okay, am I right?
hmm Yeah.
Yes, okay. So look at this. Okay, when we say yes, in Tagalog, oo. Okay, say it.
Oh, oh.
Yes, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oo. Okay, say it again. Oo.
Oh, oh.
Yes,
Oh,
okay.
oh. Oh,
Oo. Okay, that
oh,
is
oh.
how we say yes. Okay, now that's one. Look at this. Okay, now look. When we say no, say it. Can
Hmm?
you read this one?
Hindi?
Yes, okay, say it. Hindi.
Hindi. Hindi. Uh,
Yes, again. Hindi.
Hindi. Hindi.
Very good. One more time.
Hindi.
Very good. That is correct. Hindi. Okay, that is no. Hindi. Okay, that's one.
Hindi.
Look at it. Okay. Also, when we say yes, okay, look at this. Please read this one. Go and start.
Po. Po or po?
Yes,
Po or
okay.
po?
Yes, po, opo. For example,
Po. Po
yes,
or po?
yes, very good. For example, there is an older person for you. Okay, there is an
Mhm.
older person. When we're going to say yes, po, okay, po,
Po.
opo. Okay, you're saying
Opo.
yes, opo. Okay, say it.
Opo.
Can you read this one?
Po. Po. Opo. Po. Opo.
Very good. That is correct. Okay, po,
Mhm.
opo. Okay, now this
Po.
one.
Opo.
Meeting
Mhm.
or leaving someone. Okay, meeting or leaving someone. Let's go. Okay, when we say hello, okay, please read this one. Go and start.
Ku. Gumusta.
Yes, again. Kumusta.
Gumusta. Gumusta.
Yes, again. Kumusta.
Gumusta. Kumusta
Yeah.
or gumusta?
Okay.
Ku.
Kumusta.
Kumusta.
Yes, that is correct.
Ah.
Kumusta.
Okay.
Okay, say it again.
Kumusta.
Yes, okay. Hello, kumusta? Oh, that is
Okay.
how you say hello in Tagalog. Hello, that is kumusta? Kumusta ka? Okay, when you meet
Sta.
someone, okay,
Mhm.
when you meet someone, you know before you're going to say kumusta ka? Okay, that is how
Kumusta
you
ka?
say. Okay, kumusta ka? Okay, that's one. Look at it. Okay, now this one.
Mhm.
Good morning. Okay, now please read this one. Go and start.
Mag magandang umaga.
Say it. Magandang
Magandang
umaga.
umaga.
Yes, again. Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Yes,
Magandang
again.
umaga.
Yes, again.
Magandang umaga.
Yes, one more time.
Magandang umaga.
Yes, magandang umaga. That is good morning. Okay. When you see someone, magandang umaga. Okay. That is how you greet someone. Okay. In the
Mhm.
morning. Magandang umaga. Okay. Say it again.
Magandang umaga.
Yes, very good. Okay. Say it again. Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, now this one. Look, this is good noon. Okay, good noon. That means in 11 to 12 o'clock.
Noon.
Okay, now please read this one. Go, go, go,
Ma-
and start.
magandang ta magandang magandang tanghali. Tanghali.
Yes. Okay, say it again. Magandang tanghali.
Magandang tanghali.
Yes, magandang tanghali.
Magandang tanghali.
Very good. That is good noon. Okay. When you greet someone, magandang tanghali. That is good noon. Okay. Magandang
Okay.
tanghali. Say it again.
Magandang tanghali.
Very good. That is one more time.
Magandang tanghali.
Yes, yes, yes. That is correct. Okay, this one. Look at this. Okay, now please read this one. Go, go, and start.
Magandang
This
hapon.
one.
Magandang hapon.
Okay? Magandang hapon, that is afternoon. Magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon.
Yes, okay. 1 in the afternoon, 2, 5 in the afternoon. That is magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon.
Yes, again.
Magandang hapon.
Yes, again.
Magandang hapon.
Very good. Okay, now let's do it like this. Okay, now I'm going to ask you. Okay? What should you say if you see someone in the morning?
Magandang umaga.
Yes, okay. What you would say when you see someone at noon?
Magandang tanghali.
Yes, very good. Okay, now what would you say in someone in the afternoon?
Magandang hapon.
Yes, hapon.
Hapon. Magandang
Yes.
hapon.
Yes, magandang hapon. Okay, this one, look at this. Okay, now good evening. Okay, good evening. That is, please raise one.
Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi.
Okay, say it. Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi.
Okay, say it again. Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi.
Yes, okay. Magandang gabi. Okay, gabi. Okay,
Magandang gabi.
yes, again.
Magandang gabi.
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 Yes, again. Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi.
Yes, okay. In the good evening, that is magandang gabi. Okay, say it again.
Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi.
Yes, yes, yes. Magandang gabi. Okay. Now this
Okay.
one.